Internal Quality Assurance Cell (IQAC) Lady Keane College organizes a two-day international conference on climate change, indigenous knowledge system and food sovereignty on Tuesday, held at College Auditorium. Delivering a keynote address, NESFA's senior advisor Dhrupa Chowdhury said that contemporary agriculture or industrial agriculture is responsible for at least 34 to 36 of global warming in Ribhoi, as per the study conducted by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC). He said that agriculture also contributes around 86% of deforestation because of the expansion of cash crops and of plantations, adding that agriculture causes at least 86% of biodiversity loss. The two-day international conference is organized in collaboration with NESFAS and Meghalaya Climate Change Center, Meghalaya Basin Development Authority, MBDA.
To keep global temperatures, which are rising, to 1.5 degrees. If the global temperatures rise by more than 1.5 degrees, there's going to be serious problems. In Paris, when the UN called the UN conference, the